get this ground wire through. Now you may have a hole pre-drilled. I'll just bring the camera down. You may have a hole pre-drilled in the side, like I have here, or you may not. If you don't, you're going to need to drill it yourself. And what you're trying to do, if you can see the wire in the bottom of that hole now, you're just drilling a hole between the bridge pickup cavity and the bridge post. Okay, so we just want that ground wire up on the side so it'll sit against the bushing for the bridge when we put it in place. So next we'll install our bridge. This is a tune-o-matic bridge, which means we have stud mounted bridge and tailpiece. So our bushings go in like so. Depending on how much finish or how clogged these holes are on your guitar, you may or may not be able to push them in, otherwise you may need to hit them with a hammer. But obviously have a piece of timber in between, or take steps to preserve the finish. I'm just trying to keep that wire against the side, so hopefully you can see that's just sticking its head up there. So we know we've got that ground against the bushing. And that's just going to need a little bit of extra encouragement, so I'm just going to support the neck a little more. I'm just using a block of timber in between. And the bushings for the tailpiece.